Hello guys, I'm Mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to design this model here, and for doing that, first thing first, we draw the sketch, then we will extrude the sketch. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have the dimensions and we have to draw these lines and arcs, and then we will mirror the then we will extrude the sketch, and then we will have this model. So now we have to close the model. For closing the parts, just come here and choose close. Now we have to create a new part. For creating a new part, just come to new and part, okay. And now we have a new part, and for drawing the sketch we have to choose a plane. In SolidWorks we have three standard plane: front plane, top plane, and right plane, or we can create plane. But for now, just click on the front plane. I will tell you what's the use of the other planes in the next videos. Just click on the front plane and choose a sketch. Now we have an open sketch. Our sketch is open. We have to start with the origin point. So we can draw the sketch from this line, or we can draw the sketch from the circle here. It doesn't matter, but I prefer to draw this sketch from these two circles. So for doing that, just come to circle, and I mostly use 2-point circles. It means that you can draw the circle with 2 clicks. So here you can see, as I get close to the origin point, here an orange point appears. It means that if I click on this orange point and draw the circle, the center of the circle will be connected to the origin point. So here we have 2 circles, and I draw another circle and right click, select to exit the tool. Here we have a line, so here I choose line and I draw a line here. So I draw the line here. You can just press the escape button on your keyboard to exit the tool. So here I draw a line. So you can see, as I move the line, the yellow symbol here appears. It means that if I click on the screen, the horizontal symbol, the horizontal relation will be applied to my line. If you can't see the dimensions or the relations, just come in hide and show items and turn on the view sketch relations. Now you can see the green symbols here, the relations, and you can turn it on or turn it off. So let's keep on drawing. Here we have to draw a line. I draw the line, and at the end I will apply a fillet here. So I draw a line here, and here we have horizontal line. So I draw a horizontal line, and here we have a vertical line, and the line here, and a vertical line. Escape the button, press the escape button, and here we have a center line. So here I draw the center line. So here I draw a center line, a horizontal center line, and the center of the center line must be coincident to the origin point. So here the center of the center line, so you can see this orange point here. So click the center line, click this point, and hold the control button and choose the origin point and give it coincident relation. So let me see what's the problem here. If something like this happens, click on the invalid solution found and choose diagnose to see what's the problem. So here, let me see what's the problem. Okay, delete this line, right click and choose delete and draw another line. So draw a line like this and right click, select, and choose this point and the origin point, sorry, the center of the center line and the origin point, and again give it coincident relation. And now choose the center line, and here in add relation give it horizontal relation. Now it's perfect. And here we have to apply the dimensions. Choose a smart dimension, and the dimension of this circle is it is 90 times 2, because this is the radius of the circle and we need the diameter. So here the dimension of this circle is 38 millimeter, and the dimension of this circle is 13 millimeter. Now we have to apply the angle of this line. So the angle of this line to the line here is 75 degree, and we have to now mirror these entities to this side of the center line. So for doing that, we have to choose mirror entities, this tool here, and here in mirror about, choose mirror about, and choose the center line here, and in entities to mirror, choose the line here, and this line, this line, this one, and this one, and okay. Now we have mirrored all the entities. Choose a smart dimension, and the dimension from this point to the point here. Sorry, again, give the dimension. The dimension from this point to the point here is 50 millimeter, and the dimension from this point to the point here is 30 millimeter. And the angle of this line and this line is 28 degree, and the dimension from this point to the origin point here is 90 millimeter, and the dimension from this point and to the origin point here is 61 millimeter, and the dimension from this point to the origin point here is 49 millimeter. You can see the lines are becoming fully defined because the color of these lines are turning to black, and it means that our lines is becoming fixed. Now we have to apply the dimension. The dimension from this line to the line here is 20 millimeter. So you can see here is fully defined, and I can't move my sketch because everything is fully defined and all the lines and the circles are fixed. Now we have to draw the slot here. So for doing that, come here and choose 3-point slot and draw a slot here. Draw the slot like this and right click and select. And here choose center line and connect this point to the point here. The reason I'm drawing this center line is to give the angle of the slot. So make this point coincident to the center line. For doing that, just hold the control button and choose these two entities. And do the same thing here. Draw a center line here and make this point coincident to this point. Now we have to apply the angle of these two lines, and the degree of this line is 60 degree, and the radius of the center line here is 69 millimeter. It's much better now. Now we have to let me see, what do we have to do now. The radius of this arc is 13 millimeter, and here we have two circles. Here we have a circle here and here, and the dimension of this circle is 15 millimeter. And these two circles have the same dimension. For doing that, hold the control button and choose this circle and the circle here and give it equal relation. Now these two circles have the same dimension, and this point must be coincident to the center line, and move the slot a little bit, and this point here must be this point here must be horizontal to the point here, and okay. And now we have to draw two lines here. So I draw a line here, and I have to mirror this line to this side of the center line. I choose mirror entities and I choose this line, and here in mirror about I choose the center line, and here we have the mirror line. Now we have to connect this line to the slot here by two arcs. Now I draw two arcs here. I connect this line to the slot here, and I draw another arc here. And we have to apply the fillet of this part. So here I choose sketch fillet, and I choose this point and this point, and the radius of the fillet is 5 millimeter. It's perfect now. And this arc has the same radius to this arc here. So I hold the control button and I choose this arc and this one and this one, and I choose equal relation. Now they have the same radius, and I have to now just apply the tangent relation. So this arc must be tangent to the line here, and do the same thing here, tangent relation, and here tangent relation. Our sketch must be full defined now. But our sketch is not still full defined because the sketch is still moving, and this point here must be coincident to the point here. Now here we have the sketch. Now all we have to do is just extrude the sketch. If you can't see the sketch perfectly, come in hide and show items and turn off the relations, or you can turn off the dimensions here. Now it has a better look. So here in feature, choose extrude boss and base, and here in sketch, here in selected contours, choose these areas and this one, and just you can give the depth, for example 10 millimeter is okay. Now we have the model, so you can change the color of the model. For example, you can change this part to red or blue or black or red. So you can change the color, or you can give the material. For example, here in appearance, in metal, in aluminum, I can give it polished aluminum. So I can change the material, and I can change the color. So please practice at home and do this by yourself, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments. Your subscription and your comments give me more energy to upload more videos. Please watch my other videos, and thanks for watching this video.